Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT X18 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the dialer, and here it doesn't matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. As you can see, here we've got the call blocking. Let's tap on this option, and here we've got actually our block list, which is right now obviously empty. So in order to add a number, just tap on this option. And here you can easily type a number you'd like to block and tap on block. As you can see, it immediately appears on the blacklist, so it means that from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. Obviously you can unblock it whenever you want to. Just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your CUBOT X18. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.